My favorite quote by Utata Nelson Mandela is the one that says,
if you want to make peace with your enemy, you have to work with your enemy. Then he becomes your partner.
Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world.
Okay, so the most memorable moment when it comes to Utata Nelson Mandela was when every time birthday yakhe mayenzakala on the 18th of July. That was very spectacular because something magical beyenzakala, like literally mhlaba jikelele.
Lesson engifunde empilweni kaMadiba ukuthi you always need to be humble. Zisithobe ngalo lonke ixesha. Mazi umuntu ngabantu. Regardless ukuthi sinani, ungaba nani ube nani, at the end of the day uzoyishiya la emhlabeni. So the most important thing ukuzithoba noxolo, forgiveness. Forgiveness into ehlula nabantu abadala, into enzima. Umuntu akuone ngento encane okwazi ukumxolela, but Utata after everything adlule kuzo still wasifundisa uxolo.
It is in your hands to make of our world a better one for all.